Supersede. To replace someone or something. Hopefully, the new class schedule will supersede the old one and give us more time to explore complicated subjects. In time, the features of the smartphone may supersede those of the personal computer.
Cool!
In 5 years, the prince will supersede his father and become king. Kate hopes she can supersede her boss and take his position in the company. Since the new attendance forms supersede the previous documents, please shred all of the old forms. Supersede. To replace someone or something. Supersede. To replace someone or something. Supersede. To replace someone or something.